In this video, I will take you on a fascinating journey through the history of bananas, one of the world's most popular fruits. We'll also delve into the incredible health benefits they offer. Join me as we uncover the fascinating story behind this tropical wonder. Bananas have a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Originating in Southeast Asia, they were first cultivated in Papua New Guinea. Spreading to the Philippines and Indonesia. As ancient civilizations flourished, bananas became an integral part of their diet and culture. The story of bananas begins in Southeast Asia, where they were first cultivated around 7,000 years ago. As early as 2000 BC, bananas were being grown in the region that is now Papua New Guinea. From there, they traveled across the globe, making their way to the African continent. Bananas even made their way to Africa, where evidence of their consumption can be traced back as early as 6500 BC. The Arabs and Persians introduced bananas to the eastern Mediterranean region. And eventually, they reached Europe with the help of Alexander the Great. Europe. The first documented encounter between Europeans and bananas occurred during the 15th century when Portuguese explorers discovered the fruit in West Africa. Spanish and Portuguese sailors brought banana plants to the Caribbean and Latin America, where they found fertile ground to flourish. Bananas eventually made their way to the Americas through the voyages of Christopher Columbus, becoming a staple in many tropical regions. Bananas quickly gained popularity, becoming a favorite among sailors and explorers due to their excellent nutritional value and easy portability. They were often referred to as the fruit of the wise. The 19th century saw the rise of large-scale banana plantations, fueled by the demand for this tropical delight. Companies like United Fruit, now known as Chiquita Brands International, played a significant role in popularizing bananas across North America and Europe. Fast forward to today, and bananas is one of the most widely consumed fruits worldwide. They are grown in over 150 countries, with countries like India, China, and the Philippines leading the production. Apart from their rich history, bananas offer a myriad of health benefits. Let's explore some of the reasons why they are considered a superfood. Beyond their delightful taste, bananas offer a wealth of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. They are a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Bananas are also rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining heart health and regulating blood pressure. Bananas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. This combination helps boost the immune system, promote brain health. Did you know that bananas are a natural energy booster? Their high carbohydrate content makes them an excellent choice for athletes and those in need of a quick energy boost. Bananas are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, often referred to as the happy hormone. Serotonin plays a crucial role in mood regulation and can help combat depression and anxiety. Bananas are often called nature's happy fruit. They contain tryptophan, a type of protein that gets converted into serotonin, known as the happy hormone. Eating bananas can help elevate your mood and combat stress. Furthermore, bananas are rich in antioxidants and other compounds that support cognitive function and may enhance memory and concentration. So, the next time you need a brain boost, reach for a banana. Packed with natural sugars, fiber, and essential vitamins, they provide a quick and sustained energy release, making them an ideal snack for athletes, which provides a quick and sustained energy boost. Throughout history, bananas have been used as a natural remedy for various ailments. Their soothing properties make them an effective treatment for heartburn and acid reflux. Moreover, the soft texture of bananas makes them gentle on the stomach, making them a go-to choose for individuals with gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, bananas can provide relief from muscle cramps due to their high potassium content. Kids like bananas. Everybody loves bananas, and there are many types of bananas. Some popular varieties of sweet bananas include Cavendish, Gros Michel, Ladyfinger, also known as sugar banana, and blue Java. Plantain varieties include Horn, Dominico, and Orachile. Bananas are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of delicious, healthy recipes. From smoothies and banana bread to frozen treats and savory dishes, the possibilities are endless. Banana strawberry shake recipe. Ingredients: 3 bananas, 2 cups of fresh organic strawberries, 1 cup of water, 1 terabit spoon of raw honey. Directions: place all ingredients in the blender mix until smooth. Enjoy. Banana oatmeal breakfast recipe. Ingredients: 2 bananas peeled, 1 apple sliced, 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of oat milk, 1 cup of raw nuts or seeds of your choice. Mix all ingredients together, and enjoy. So, the next time you enjoy a banana, take a moment to appreciate its remarkable journey through history and the abundant health benefits it brings to your plate. Bananas truly are nature's sweet gift to humanity. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating exploration of bananas. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more captivating content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.